Hello, thanks for coming for the ride. We're up in Brighton, Moulsecoombe. It is a place called Wild Park. Bike trails here are really good. This is local for me. The guys here that have been doing the building are doing a fantastic job and maintaining it as well. So I thought we will come for a ride on the Ebe and check it out and show you guys a few of the trails. Let's get into it. Okay, so this is the top. You have a beautiful view there of a winter afternoon day, Brighton. Heading over there is Stamina, and I'm going to start off with, I believe it's called Mainline. It's the original bike trail here. It is wet, slippery, and we're on the Ebe, so take it a little bit easy today. Don't want to be sliding off. Let's get into it. Awesome burn, that one there. So, a few of these trails do fork off. So you start, I think there's two here. What we're going to do is come up here. This is now the main line. Last time I was here, as you come up to this drop off, there was a tree which has been removed. Awesome. Woo! Oh, there's always new bits. That was new. Don't need much speed for that. Whoa! Woohoo! I'm sliding all over the place. Missed that gap there. Losing where I'm going. So many leaves. Missed that gap there. Hit that one. Carry on here. I'm not sure this is right. This is all new. This is not the main line. Ah, we've joined into it. Ah, nice. Oh, it's so slick. And out to the finish. Go on, Aussie dog! Woo! Good go! Alright, back to the top. Yeah, this I would say is probably the main way to get up to the hub, the top, the pitties, and it is a climb. If you're doing it on analog, whew, have you had your Weetabix? Because it is tough. Definitely if you're doing a few laps. As you get halfway point, as we're coming up to now, there are some pretty cool little jumps on the left into the woods, and they do go off into some pretty cool big jumps, and they're also part of a trail when you come to the top, and you'll see that in a bit. This is pretty much the top of where it all starts. Come on then, you can have some water. Go down the same trail we did, but as I said earlier, it forks off, so we will be doing two different other trails based off the main line. Alright, let's get into it. So, starting down the same bit as I said, but difference now. I'll show you where. So we'll fork off. Right. So we do the same, do this drop. Take it easy on that. Great front berm. Really whip that round in the summer. Okay. Right, instead of going straight, we go left. You can see it's very leafy. Squirrel. Awesome. Oh, careful. Oh, hey! Tight. Oh, I lost my foot off the pedal. Oh God. Yeah. They can't quite see. This is the leaves on the ground. It's so difficult. Great little switchbacks. Take them easy today. And that's it. As you might have saw there, there's lots of leaves at this time of the year and sticks, branches that have fallen down onto the trails. So do be careful. Say this is not an official bike park. It is just a hill and it's had trails built on it for decades, I think. Go halfway up the hill, turn left into the woods, you'll come into this little bit here. This is where there's some pretty cool little jumps, nothing too mad. Take the right side, you'll have them all as tabletops. On the left side you have a tabletop followed by a double. Alright, let's give them a go. They look okay, looks like we can ride them. So let's start off with the small set. Are you ready? Let's go! Slam into them. It's so slidey. Front wheel slid out. Just managed to hold on. Maybe it's the one-hander that I was getting a bit cheeky with. Should we do the big line? Right, so with the left line you want to stay on the right side to start with. Just about got over that. Right, we won't carry on with that because that is part of a pretty cool trail, and we start from the top and we run through it also. Jumps, some sort of hips that jump into each other, goes further down, and then there's another drop. Not done that, bit sketchy, and give that another try when it's a bit dry. Onwards and upwards. Let's stash this here. That's just loads of litter I've picked up. Let's pick that up later on the way down and we finish. Yeah, let's go. Alright, same again. Might get a bit repetitive, so we're going to cut all this out and we'll get straight to where it changes. Woo! Over. As we come up to here, we want to go up this way, around the tree, jump through these two, drop into that cut. You'll actually see a video of me doing this one on YouTube already, in the dry. I've been overtaken. Oh my god. So much fun. Oh my god. My front wheel is just going out. And there you have it. Okay. That was nuts. There is another trail I would love to show you, but I think it's going to have to be for another time. It's a bit more of camber, more a bit more jumpy. Squirrel. Almost buddy. Next time. Oh no, I forgot to wipe the screen this whole time. Okay, so what is this trail called? You know what, I don't know. I think this is RH line. One of my favourites here. Again, anyone disagrees, then let this actual trail is. Oh my God. Right, tiny little doubles here, and tight right, tight left, just sweeping left, and then this is going down the middle, goes right again. Cool little double there. Right, this is sweet. Pops into a berm under a branch, a tree that's fallen. Right. So then, right. Then we got some drops. Oh shit! Oh my God! I just hit my arm on the branch on the way out. Oh, it's such a shame. Oh, so yeah, it carries on. Oh, I literally elbowed the tree in the air. Why did I do that? You sort of see my line here, and then I cut in way too tight left to take off on this side here. I elbowed that branch there, and that's why I landed over to the right. So, should we try it again? Yeah! Okay, let's try it again. Oh, make sure. Look at that. You know what, to be completely honest, I have no idea where this goes now. Awesome, that's cool, never done that before. Bit techie. Oh my God! Ah, sick, really cool. Ah, so we're back. This takes us down to the bottom. Awesome double there. That's again the end of a pretty epic line, which will be for another day. I mean, we're looking at about 4 bike lengths maybe that's pushing it, but still quite a gap to hit. But the whole run up and all the jumps and drops and berms up to this are so much fun. You could just session this south side of the hill. Alright, so I think we're going down this way. Trail to start with up here. This will join. It's so slick. No idea if this is the right way, but we're going to do it. We're going to join in with the jumps. It's cool. No idea. Yeah, it is. Yeah. God. Let's try the one. Squirrels. Cool. Some dirt. Oh my God, that's me. Awesome. Look at that. I got well excited there. Do we try it? Oh, we got to. More importantly, what did I forget? I forgot the bag of litter that I picked up earlier. So up we go and get it. Alright, we've got the bag. I'm not sure how this is going to work. Riding down the trails, and there's that jump as well. I'm more worried about the bag breaking, but gives you right. Let's get it down. That was rude. We've got to give it a go, haven't we? Right, don't. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. Go, go, go. You're going to lead? No, you're not. I was distracted too much. Ah! Awesome. So yeah, this is. Oh my lord. So slick. Oh, I just held on. There she is. Oh, Bin's up there. Good job, monkey. Let's go this way. So that last trail there, I think's Huck the Pain Away or the Long Way Round, one of the two. Comment below, let me know what one's right or wrong, if any of them. I'm going to call it a day there. I'll come back again and show you the rest of them. There's so much that this hill has to offer. Just come on those big days, maintain the trails and enjoy.